So I got two questions from Ironmark Guitars, who was here during the last stream, and the first of which is, what pickups you regularly use? What pickups do I regularly use? Well, it really depends because up until this point, I haven't had a sort of set preference. It's usually been something that has fit the guitar, but I guess it hasn't been announced yet. I haven't talked about it, but something that is happening and will happen, or something that has pretty much happened, is that I have made a sort of endorsement contract with a Finnish pickup maker, Kangas Pickups, and I'm going to be using his pickups moving forward. I like the idea of, myself being a very small builder in Finland and him still being a sort of like startup company. Well, startup is kind of, I guess, the wrong word, but he started his company just a little while ago and started making pickups. So I like the idea that I have pickups that are made in Finland, cooperating with somebody and collaborating with somebody who kind of clearly has a similar mentality to a lot of things. And just in general, I am really looking forward to how those pickups are going to sound. And like I've said many times before, I kind of want to keep my stuff as domestic heavy as I can. So the fact that I can have a domestic builder for my pickups as well, or a domestic pickup maker for my guitars, is an added bonus to that. Originally, the first batch of prototypes, they were supposed to have the Seymour Duncan hot rodded pickup set. So that's the JB Jazz and the SH4, if I remember correctly. So they were supposed to have that set, just because I wanted something that everybody's sort of familiar with, so you already know kind of the tones that you will get out of it from the get-go. But now that I got this sort of opportunity to work with somebody for, a longer term moving forward, I could not pass up on the opportunity.